She was our only child, and the loss of her being gone has been a toll on everyday life. It's really a struggle.
Melissa Miller and Daniel Van Dyke say the tragedy is still fresh. On August 15th last year, their daughter, 18-year-old Courtney Miller, who had just graduated high school and was looking forward to college, was killed in an accident at the intersection of Route 30 and Owens Road in Mokena.
I miss her so much. I can't explain how terrible this is. The worst nightmare any man could ever go through.
Courtney was a passenger in a car driven by a friend headed east on Route 30 at a high rate of speed when another vehicle driven by Mokena resident Scott Herstead, a tax specialist at a Chicago hedge fund, made a left turn in its path. The collision killed Courtney instantly. Now, 1 year later, Mokena police have not issued any citations or charges in the case.
Tomorrow will be a year, and we still have no answers.
Not even our apology. Nothing.
Nothing.
This week, Courtney's parents filed an amended lawsuit against several defendants, including Herstead and a pair of Chicago bars, Cruz Blanca Brew Pub and Parlor Pizza Bar, both in the West Loop. The lawsuit alleges both bars sold alcoholic beverages to Herstead as late as 8:24 p.m., less than 2 hours before the crash that resulted in his intoxication. In a separate lawsuit filed today against the village of Mokena, Courtney's parents allege Herstead was asked to submit a blood draw by Mokena police, but refused. Their lawyer says the police had a legal duty to go further.
They made a conscious decision not to seek a search warrant. What they did in this case was take away the ability for this family to find out the truth. Was there alcohol in this man's blood? Had he been drinking at one bar or more bars before that?
Romanucci says they'll also investigate whether Herstead got preferential treatment because his wife is a former Mokena trustee. Courtney's parents say they just want some answers.
We just want justice for our daughter, as any parent would.
Now, we reached out to Herstead for comment. A lawyer representing Herstead went to Will County Court this morning, obtaining a protective order preventing Miller's lawyers from sharing police body cam video with us. A spokesperson for Mokena says they haven't seen the lawsuit, so they cannot comment. And Friday night at 8 o'clock, a public prayer vigil will be held for Courtney. That'll be near the intersection where she was killed. Dane Placco, Fox 32, Chicago.